In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how master resale right products actually work. Now you can see on the screen right here that I've actually made $900 recently, and I'm actually promoting master resale right products myself, so you can pay attention to this video knowing you're about to learn from someone actually doing it. Now what I'm going to share in this video is exactly how it works, the ins and outs, how it's actually legal to do this so you don't have to worry about doing it. I'm then going to share how to choose the right master resale right products to actually promote. There's massive issues and problems people have and mistakes that cost them thousands of dollars that I'm going to allow you to avoid when you actually follow this video. And then I'm going to share with you my personal recommendation if you do want to just go forward and you want to do master resale rights as fast and easy as possible and even start generating commissions on autopilot. So here's how master resale rights actually work. It's just a very simple 5-step process. So number one, a creator makes a digital product. Okay, now in some exceptions there could be where it's not digital, but I recommend you do digital because it's going to be a lot easier to sell, and when people buy from you they can get access immediately. You don't have to ship anything, you don't have to deal with any of that headaches, right? So someone else is going to make a product. Now there's a lot of different master resale right products online, but as you'll see a little bit later, they're not all equal and a lot of them are not that great. But someone makes a product. You do not have to make the products yourself. Then what you're going to do is you're going to buy master resale rights. Okay, so typically in almost all the cases, you're going to need to actually purchase the license that gives you the ability to resell those products as your own. Okay, now I do want to share a quick little thing. This isn't like PLR products, if you've heard about that, where you can actually sometimes edit the products. When you buy a master resale right license for a product, typically you cannot change the product, so you have to resell it as it is. But again, if you just want to make money as fast as possible, you don't want to have to deal with the headaches of creating your own product, just promote something that's already working. It's totally fine. Then you're going to resell that same product. Okay, now you can resell it 100 different ways. I cover a lot of ways on this channel. You can promote on social media, you can run paid traffic or paid advertisements. Okay, you just want to promote those products to people. Now this is a major benefit with master resale rights versus something like network marketing or affiliate marketing, is when you make a sale, you keep 100% of every sale. You keep 100% of the money. So again, if you were to do affiliate marketing or network marketing, you go out there, you promote a product, you make a sale, you only maybe get 50% commission. Okay, so 50% of your money you're giving away to the product creator. With master resale rights, because you own the product after buying that license, when you make a sale, you keep all the money. So you can scale faster, you can pay off bills, you can travel because you're gonna have a lot more money. And then last but not least, often, okay, the buyer can resell it too. So when they're buying it from you, they may also get the license to resell that product. Okay, so then they can resell it to other people. This is the process. Now, I want to share with you how to choose a good master resale rights product, because a lot of people, they see how powerful this is, but they go astray and they choose something that ends up costing them a lot of time and a lot of money. Number one, it's really good if payments are higher than at least $500, because if you're going to go do the work and go out there and let's say post advertisements on social media, you're going to do that work anyway. Why not make at least $500 up to even $1,000 rather than promoting something that only pays you 20 bucks? Okay, it's the same work. Now it's also good if the niche is very popular. Now niche or niche just means the topic that that product is in. So it could be weight loss, it could be making money. Okay, you don't want to choose something like basket weaving right off the bat, because there's not a lot of people that are interested in that. Okay, you want to choose something more popular. Now it's amazing if the master resale right product that you're actually going to start promoting, if other people selling the same product are making sales and getting results. Okay, this is like, you really want to look for this, and I'm going to share with you in a second what I'm actually doing myself so you can see people promoting and actually getting results today. And then it's amazing if it comes with a high converting funnel that sells these products for you. Okay, Okay, now this is very rare if when you purchase rights or the license to resell that product, it gives you a funnel, which is just a simple set of websites that follow up and make sales for you on autopilot. This is rare, but again, the one I'm going to share in a second does actually do this. So now I just want to share with you some results of people using the Master Resell Right product that I'm actually promoting that gives you the funnel. There will be a link directly below so you can actually check this out and get started with it. And if you do want to purchase those Master Resell Right yourself so you can go ahead and sell those products, you will earn up to $900, by the way, and it's in the digital marketing niche, okay, which is booming right now. Everyone, including yourself watching this, are interested in doing digital marketing, right? So you can actually resell products in that niche. Just a few results of people promoting the same exact offer. 2 sales in one day for the first time. Okay, 2 $300 sales yesterday. Where will you be able to make this kind of income in one day? From your phone? So they made this from their phone. Again, this is an automated funnel. $300 again, $12,400 in 20 days, $600 a day sale. Okay, so these people are using the thing at the link below. So again, if you understand now how Master Resell Rights works, you understand how to choose the best type of product to actually promote, click the link below if you're interested in seeing my #1 recommendation. It covers all the details as well as how to actually purchase that license so you can go ahead, get your funnel set up very easily, and go ahead and launch this.